Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Cake Wallet application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your Android phone, and once you have opened it up, simply tap on the search box and then search for Cake Wallet. Once you find the Cake Wallet application, simply tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the Cake Wallet application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once the installation is done, you will see the open button. So simply tap on the open button and this will open up the Cake Wallet on your device. You can then simply proceed with signing up or logging into your account to start using the Cake Wallet application from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Cake Wallet application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.